Hey guys, welcome back to Tech World, and today we're gonna be doing an informative and tech-related video, which is Realme Pad. Now, when we head to more facts about Realme Pad, we'll get to know that the price of like the expected price of this tablet is 20,999, and it's also expected to release at 12th October 2021. And I give you a disclaimer that is the price and the release date will not be 100% correct, so we guarantee you that it's not going to be 100% correct. It's like we cannot guarantee that the information is 100% correct. Next one is that there is an actually a news, so it's actually good news. Our old channel, which has been deleted, has been come back, or we have access from YouTube for that. Our old channel has come back, so you guys, we will be putting the link down in the description. You guys can watch, you guys can get to know more about that old channel. So let's head to the video right now. So basically, Realme Pads details. When we go for more details into it, we get to know that display and design. So more like the display, we get to know that it carries a 10.4-inch Full HD Plus display with support for 1080 into 2400 pixels resolution. The tablet features a thick bezels at the top and bottom with narrow lines on the side, which make the screen to body ratio at 83%. The screen comes with a pixel density of 325% pixels per inch, with the power button at the top of the tablet, while the volume rocker is placed on the side. Now let's head to performance, storage, and camera.
So as we go for the performance storage and the camera, this tablet is having a full camera setup. Redmi has used the octa-core Snapdragon 765G processor to power this tablet, and this tablet is having the hardware which includes the 6 GB of RAM alongside with the 64 GB of storage that is further expandable. The device runs Android 11 operating system. This chipset features the Adreno 620 GPU for graphics processing and high-quality video rendering. Realme Pad gets an 8 megapixel rear camera, and on the front it has an 8 megapixel camera for selfies, video calls, and more. Now let's go for the battery charging, or the fast charging, and the connectivity of this tablet.
Yes. So when we go for more details about the Realme Pad, we get to know that this is having like a very good charge which is having a fast charging, because this is having a 7,100 mAh battery, which is long backup for single charge. Realme tablet supports 30 watts fast charging for quick boot up. The tablet uses USB Type C port for charging and data transfer. For the connectivity options, we get to know that the tablet has a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.2, 4G VoLTE 5G, and GPS with GLONASS. And now when we go for more in detail, we get to know that this is having like other sensors, including fingerprint sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, and accelerometer sensor. This is also including an audio jack for the sound and a speaker. Audio jack is a 3.5 mm. Now when we head to the chipset, or let's say the chipset about it, we get to know this is having a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G with the graphics of Adreno 620 and an architecture which of 64-bit, and number of cores are 8, which is an octa-core, which was mentioned earlier. And now when we head to the CPU, we get to know that this is having a 2.4 gigahertz single core Cairo 475 plus 2.2 gigahertz single core Cairo 475 plus 1.8 gigahertz hexa core Cairo 475. For the dimension, we get to know that this is having a 9.6, 96.13 or 0.27 inch with 246.1 into 155.8 into 6.48 6.8 mm. And now when we go for more of that, we'll get to know that this is having a Wi-Fi with B by G by N with a SIM configuration of a dual SIM. SIM 1 is nano, SIM 2 is nano. It's USB Type C, as I mentioned earlier, mass storage device in USB charging, also I mentioned earlier. Now this is having Wi-Fi features like mobile hotspot, and it's also having voice cover, which is LTE or LTE, which is in also there's an infrared, and there's a GPS, which I mentioned earlier too.
If you want more tech videos like this, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then hit the like button if you like it. And you can comment down what we have to review, what we have to improve, and what are your questions and answers. And that's all. My name is Johns.
And my name is Jonas.
We are Tech World.
Signing off.
Until then, see you. Bye.
Bye.